Got the fire going pretty good today. Today is my Friday. I just got off work, guys. I don't know how well you can see me. It's getting dark out. Today I drove through some pretty dicey weather. I'll put a little clip of that in here. Right about here. And, whoops. What else? Well, I got one day off and then I got 7 on again. And tonight's supposed to go down to minus 15, somewhere around there, which is absolutely insane. It is only October the 14th today. It's crazy. We had snow in September, but I wasn't here for that. I was in BC. But still gotta post those videos from BC there. I gotta compile them all. I got a bunch of other stuff I gotta do just to get in their video for that as well, and some other stuff that's that I gotta get going, like climbing up the Mission Hill. And I actually climbed Black Mountain there the second last night. Went down these stairs. They're called 100 stairs, and then I climbed all the way up, and that was pretty cool. And aside from that, I'm just keeping warm here by the fire. My furnace is going off right now, or going on right now. This is a 10 kilowatt furnace. My water's getting low. I gotta get that topped off. Here it is here. This is a 10 kilowatt furnace. Does good, but I should actually have another element in there to bring it up, because it does use a lot of hydro, so that's why we have a wood stove. I do have hydro right now, guys. Ultimately, I do want to be completely off-grid on the homestead. I also, all the chickens are dead, so I'll just show you there. My neighbor is looking after them, and I don't know what happened, but the fox got in there and took some, and then I don't know. I just don't know what happened there, but yeah. So I don't have any chickens or turkeys for this this winter, which I was hoping to cut up and everything, but I don't have that. That really sucks. Hey Cal, my buddy Calvin's Corner 72. That's right. We were all born in 72, brother. Cal and I are the same age, as well as Gary Dotson and a few others. There's a lot of us actually I'm in October. Birthday's in October. A lot of guys in October. I'm on Facebook. A lot of my YouTube buddies and friends and family, because they're all part of my family, are on Facebook. And so anyways, Calvin's Corner, he said it was nice. In a comment he commented, I just pulled into the house here from work, and I saw it pop up on my phone, and he says it's nice to show the first fire for the year. And he says it's getting cold down there in Georgia, and he says it must be snowing here. Well, it was snowing today quite a bit. So anyways, here is Cal. This is my probably 4th or 5th fire now, so enjoy that, and hope everybody else is enjoying the video. This is like one of those TV videos at Christmas time when you click it on your remote and you can see the fire going. So other stuff that's going on at the homestead, well, my buddy Mitch and I, and actually my buddy Darren Cascu, at some point we're gonna go hunting for deer hunting. My little brother and his buddy at his work, they're gonna go out for muzzle. I gotta get a hold of my buddy Darren Cascu as well, and go over my schedule at work to see where we could fit it in. The way it works with my work is I work so many days and I get 6 off. Then I come back, I work a couple days, get a couple off, work a bunch of days, get 6 off. So that's kind of how it is. It's nice to have that. So, but that's the way it works for them, and that works great for me because you know what? 6 days for a good old hunting trip, that's awesome. So that's like having like a vacation here and there, but hey, it's awesome. So allows me to do a lot on the homestead too to get prepared. I still got to get a lot of wood going, guys. I probably have a cord, maybe a cord and a half of wood. I'm gonna need at least 3 more to get me through the winter, so I'm gonna have to get on that. What else do I gotta get going here? Well, I gotta finish the chimney. I am burning right now. But I do need one more length of chimney. I need another piece to go over top of that, like a hood piece, and another storm piece it's called. But the flow of the that's generated, that pulls, I guess, all the smoke up, it's enough, but ideally you want 2 feet above your you measure from your roof, right, the top of your roof, and then you measure it across, and you line it up with your chimney. So if your chimney was at the top right here, you want to be 2 feet above that. So and I'm gonna get that all done and take the scaffolding down probably on my next set of days off. I've got to go and pick up those parts. I had to order them in because they didn't have them. So, but other than that, I'm gonna have to feed this fire, guys. So I hope you're all having a awesome day, an awesome Sunday, and I hope you have an awesome week coming ahead. And to all my subscribers, thank you very much. I appreciate you all. You're all part of my family. We here on YouTube, for those of you that aren't or that are new to my channel or just watching for the first time, you're welcome to subscribe for sure. I really appreciate that. I look forward to your comments. But the YouTubers that are on my channel, I've known these guys, and they're all over the place, from all across the board. And I've known these guys for a couple years now, and we're really close-knit friends and family. And we're a big YouTube family, and we definitely encourage more people to join in on our family, and we would like to support each other. Now, I myself, when I get a chance, I watch other YouTubers' channels as well. They're tuning into my channel, and we don't get to watch as much as we want to because we have our daily lives and stuff, but I do communicate with a lot of them on Facebook, if not on a daily, but every couple of days. So and that's where we do a lot of communicating as far as our interests and stuff like that, like Bruce Riddle and Gary Dodson, which I had already mentioned. Another one is Steve Robb. Not sure if he's on Facebook, but I met him last year when my daughter and I went out east, and I also met Channel 33 with Spongy, and I actually delivered to him last month when I went to BC. And I was hoping to meet Photo Central, Darren Howard, from Photo Control, sorry. And but I got caught up with hiking and everything else in BC, and I really enjoyed it. And it was my grandma's 90th birthday, and but I didn't get a chance. But Darren, next time I'm that way, probably a couple of years, we'll definitely have to get together. I want to get together with a bunch of other people too as well. But anyways, I don't want to make this too long of a video. Once again, I hope you guys are all having an awesome weekend, and hope you're all having an awesome, or I hope you all have an awesome week. Anyways, guys, I'm going to tune out all your hunters out there. Good luck with your hunting. Best of luck. I know Cal's already got one. Cal's son, he got one. That's awesome. I saw that on Facebook. I'm sure I'm going to see it on YouTube as well. So anyways, guys, once again, we'll see you later. Thanks for tuning in. And if you haven't, subscribe and give your comments. I appreciate it. We'll see you later, guys. All right. Ciao.